Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can host your Laravel project on cPanel. So this is my Laravel project inventory management system. So I have actually exported from Gem. Okay, so these are the two things I need to upload cPanel. Okay, so let's go to the cPanel. Here you can see currently I am on cPanel, and now I have to go for the file section. Here is the file section, and here I have to go to the file manager. So click here in the file manager, and here I have a project already. So I'm going to delete all of them from here because I'm going to upload my new project here. And at the left side, you will find a folder called public_HTML. So here you have to actually upload your project. So click here in the upload button. I need to come to this place. Now select the file. So we're going to go to the project location, and here is the file, zip file we need to upload. 100% uploaded. Now we'll go back to the root folder, that is public_HTML. Now from here we are going to extract it. So right click on it and click here extract, and then extract file. There you go. Now we don't need this zip file, so we are going to delete this. Now we have inventory. So go inside this, and here we have to actually select all of them. Okay, and we have to move them from here to the root directory, and that is public_HTML. So we are going to remove this part, /inventory. We're going to remove this. Now it will actually go to the public_HTML, and there is root directory. So we'll click here move files, and you can see the directory is empty. So we go back, and from here we are going to delete the folder. Here we have .env file, so we have to actually edit this .env, but before that to upload our SQL file also, right? Because I have my existing database, so I'm not going to create the database right now, and I'm not going to create all the tables and all the stuffs because I already have this, right? So I'm going to upload it. So to upload this, you have to go back to the cPanel homepage. Here you can see, and then you have to go for the databases section, and then you have to click here in the manage my database. Okay, so click here manage my database, and here we have to give it a name, yamin_inventory. So my database name will be unipixel_yamin_inventory. So this is basically my domain name. Okay, now here I'm going to say create database. Here we go. We have created our database. Now we have to actually create the user also. Now from here we are going to create user. Okay, so here we have to give it a username, and I'm going to say here, let's say inventory. Let's say inventory admin _admin. This will be my username, and password I will give here. Click here create user. Now here I'm going to add user to the database. So I'm going to actually select the user. Here you can see unipixel inventory_admin, and from here we are going to select the database also, and the database name is unipixel_yamin inventory, right? We have created right now, just now. So here we are going to now click on add to edit. We are going to select all the privileges and make changes. Here we go. Now go back to the previous page, and from here we are going to now go back to the cPanel homepage once again. From here we are going to go back to the databases section. Okay, and then we will go for the phpMyAdmin. So click here phpMyAdmin, and here you can see we have here unipixel_yamin_inventory. So this is the database we have. Now we'll go for the import section. Here you can see import, and then you select the file, and that is inventory.sql. So we'll add it here and click here import, and here you can see all the table and everything added successfully, I can see. Now we have to go back to the .env file, and here we are going to edit this, and we are going to change here something, and that is we'll go for the database section. Here you can see database connection, and it's MySQL, and host is localhost. So now here we know our database name is what now changed, right? We have changed our database name. Here you can see this is the database name, unipixel_yamin_inventory. So let's go there and change it, and now username is also changed, and we know our username is, we have just create here, you can see admin. Yes, this one. So this is the current user. So we are going to copy this, and let's change it here. And the password, I'm not going to show you the password. Okay, so after giving the password here, you just have to click here save changes. Okay, I think you have to save it just now. Everything is done here. Now we will go for the domain layer, and that is in pixel.com. All right, so we have come to this page, right? So now this is the public. So let's go inside this, and here we go. Now here you can see we have index.php. So this is the root file for any project. But here you can see the file is inside public, right? Let's just go back to the one level, and here you can see this index file is inside public folder, right? If you look at this URL public_html then /public, so we have to actually move it from here to the root directory. So we'll go inside the public folder and we'll move this. So select it and then click here, move to the root directory. So remove the public from here, click here, boom. Now if I go to my domain once again, the base unixexcel.com. So we got error here. This error because here you can see if I go there, this project is inside public underscore HTML. Okay. So what I have to do is we have to actually now select all of them. Okay. And now we have to move them. Okay. Move them to the root directory. And we know our root directory is the root, only the slash. So we have removed this public underscore HTML. Now we'll actually go for the files. From here, you have to go for the index.php, and we have to actually move this file to public underscore HTML. Okay. Now let's just check. Here we go. We are getting our project, but here you can see we're missing all the CSS and all the JavaScript related things. So now we have to actually move one more folder, and that is public. So let's just go there, and here you can say public, and here we have all the files. So we are going to actually select all of them. Okay, select all of them and move them in the public underscore HTML. Okay, root directory public underscore HTML. Move files. There we go. Now if I go to the public underscore HTML, in the left side you can see, so I have index file also and all the necessary files. Now if I go to my project once again, if I refresh, I can see now it's worked perfectly. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand. This is how actually you can host your Laravel project on cPanel with the database. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.